Toot-toot! So this is the Brooks Glycerin Max. So I'll explain why I got this kumpara doon sa mga iba. So I got this runner for ito yung price niya now nakalagay sa website for 10,495. So close lang natin yan. So just a quick review. Why we like this? First of all, it's very light. So second, it's non-carbon. So which is important for us na hindi carbon plated yung shoe namin. And pagka as a flat-footed runner, pagkasuot pa lang namin sa kanya, it's very stable. Yun na gusto namin. Yan, hindi nagra-rock yung shoe. So I'll try to post a link of all those videos na tinake namin. 3 parts lang naman yun. 3 videos yun of us trying all these 14 shoes. So makikita mo pa lang kung flat-footed ka, especially for us, we're on the heavier side, di ba? Obvious naman. So pagka-apak pa lang namin, makikita mo yung shoes, yung arc ko, bumababa ng ganun right away. Pagka-apak pa lang, first step, pak, and then we'll try to jump. Pagka-jump pa lang, gumagano, nagko-collapse na. And that collapsing part na yun, that's enough, in my opinion, to cause an injury. So isipin mo na lang, sa trial mo pa lang yun, and then pagkasuot mo pa lang, gumagano na yung arc mo. Di ba? Hindi na naso-support nito yung arc support niya. So pag nagko-collapse yan, imagine how it is pagka naglo-long run ka na and everything. So what we like about this shoe also, I think this is an older model. I do not know if 2020, 2024 or something, but we don't mind because we like the color. So ito yung napili namin, medyo okay naman siya, pang formal, pero hindi namin of course gagamitin doon. So what are we gonna use this for? We're gonna use this for all our training runs. DNA Tune, this is very good. I've done a lot of research about this. It's super, super, super comfortable and really responsive. Yun yung napansin ko. Kasi hindi naman namin ito pinang-speed work, pero for regular runs, when you step on it, pagka-apak mong ganyan, magre-rebound talaga. And again, ang type din namin dito, wala siyang carbon. So nothing against those wearing carbon types. Iba pag nag-try kami ng carbon plated, pagka-apak mo pa lang, ganun pala siya, no? Pagka-apak mo pa lang, you'll really feel the effect of those carbon plates. Parang unusual for us, like, kasi we're just starting, diba? So unusual for us yung running style niya. Pagka-apak mo pa lang, you're being pushed na right away. That is good if you're already fast, and then you're already used to running na. Pero if you're beginning pa lang, in our opinion, hindi siya okay. So yun. So this is the Brooks Glycerin Max. We absolutely love it. Siguro comment lang yung, if ever, yung sole niya, hindi siya complete, di ba? If you're a pronator over, ano ba tawag pag bumabagsak? Pag flat-footed ka kasi, this is the part that gets worn out first. So, I don't know, correct me if I'm wrong na lang, if it's overpronation or pronation. I think it's overpronation. So, pag gumagano natin, overpronate. So, ito yung unang part na nauubos. So, ang concern lang namin, there's makikita mo, meron kasing rubber dito. So, we're just scared na if this gets worn out, unlike sa mga Adidas, di ba nakikita mo yung rubber niya sa Adidas or sa ibang shoe, yung pinakagoma niya sa sole is made by Continental, if I'm not mistaken. So, alam mo, mas extra matibay. So, if these are ordinary rubbers, we're just scared na pag na-worn out na yan, we will run directly na dun sa cushioning niya, dun sa foam niya. So, we don't know gaano katagal to or gaano tatagal, but we're gonna keep on using it for all our training runs. So, yun lang. Again, this is not a sponsored video. We bought the shoe and we'll try to keep reviewing things na para ma-share din namin sa inyo. This has been a long time coming and we love doing this. So, finally, I think this is our first ever on-shoe review. So, that's it, guys. So, will I recommend this for beginners? Yes, it's a bit on the high side, pero usually naman mga nasa 10K plus na yung mga high-end shoes. Pero do you need to get this? No. Pero if you think you can use it, kung gagamitin mo naman, if it inspires you to run, like how yung effect niya, ganun sa akin kasi every time I see this, it makes me want to run and go outside. So I think that's the most important one. It doesn't matter kung gaano ka mahal yan, kung gaano ka, ano ba yung mga features yan. If you don't use it, baliwala, di ba? And this shoe, the Brooks Glycerin Max, definitely makes me want to go out and run. So that's it for our first ever on shoe review. Hope you like it. So see you.